Let's see how to analyze the demand in components and materials required for production. Go to Purchases, Demand Planning, and calculate the demand. Here we can see the settings to show shortages only, and let us see the details. You can see that work in progress documents were analyzed, as well as the purchase order and reorder points. We go to Recommendations tab and calculate recommendations. And you can see that once the drive analyzed all the suppliers that we've got for this product and variants, as well as prices. We make the selection, go to the Orders tab, and now we can select these settings to group the products by supplier and generate orders. We see that the order for 2 products was generated for the supplier that we've chosen. We post and close it. Now, to monitor the purchase orders, we can use the Purchase Orders list, where we see the status for the goods received. So Purchase Orders. So here you can see the status. Or we can monitor from supply invoices, expected purchase orders. You see here the list of orders that we expect. And from here we can exactly and directly create the supplier invoice once we receive the goods. To monitor the components in the warehouse, we use the Available Stock Report or Stock Summary. This is the Available Stock Report. Or here's the Stock Summary Report.